Hi guys, so where's the index headed for the long term? Is it still going up or are we out of the uptrend? Check this out. So this may shock a lot of people now, as I've been bullish in the market for the long term. You all know that indices drop, but as they drop, they always go higher than where it was before. But here's the thing, here's the narrative. What's a bit scary though is over the past few years, the PSEI, and you will be shocked by this, the market as a whole is out of the long-term uptrend. So I may say that the market as it drops will always go higher, but I'm just showing this from a long-term chart from the time that 2008 the market dropped heavily when there was a recession in the US. But after that we've rallied quite a bit. We've rallied for a great number of years, especially from 2009 all the way to 2013 when we hit 7,400 for the very first time. However, after that, the market has already started to move on a different direction, and I wanted to show you how it looked like from the chart itself. So this is a long-term chart of the PSEI since 2008. You all remember the large and deep correction that we had when the market crashed because of the financial crisis in the States. This is the context of that. So since the lows of 2008, you saw the market start to hit rock bottom, but after that it hit a very long and embarked itself in a very long and strong uptrend. You have to remember though that no matter how good the market is, the economy is, and the listed companies are, they cannot stay in uptrends also forever. There will be a time when it either corrects massively or it starts to consolidate, and that's what happened somewhere in 2013 when we broke the very long and very strong uptrend. That's why if you've noticed it, we hit 7,400 in 2013, but after hitting 7,300 in 2014, fast forward to where we are now, we closed the year at around 7,475 level. So we are not really anywhere. We really haven't gone far over the past 5 years, which brings me to where we are now. The market really and basically is out of the long-term uptrend. What we are in is a long and strong sideways market as well, with the strongest and longest support at 5.8, but after that we've also developed several support levels, one that being also for this year we've hit a support level at 6,800. But over the past 5 years we've just been ranging from 5.8 to our highest high of around 8,900 early this year. So as you notice it, that's still a long and steady range. So meaning if you are a position trader, you can trade every time it hits those long support ranges and then sell every time it hits those resistance levels. But what does this mean? You can't really expect long and strong movements up until we break that 9,000 level. We'll just move sideways and we'll just consolidate until those ranges are broken. That's why if you've been following the videos that I've been creating, it's all about being selective. It's all about finding stocks that are reversing, because the market in general, the market as a whole, is not anymore in the long-term uptrend, and this favors a lot of people who know how to position early and know how to find good stocks and spot them properly. So that's where the market is now. We're out of the long-term uptrend. If you want to make money, the best way to do it is to trade the range, and until we see ourselves break out even further. Again, the strongest resistance now is at 9,000. Unless we go back and break out of that level's reach, really can't go up. We might just range, and as you all know that we have support at 6,800 and we have a larger support at around 5,800, which was where we were a few years ago. So there, respect the range. Since we are out of the uptrend, please wait until we break out of the 9,000 level before you see any specific movement in the market. So until that happens, your goal is to pick individual stocks. So talo ngayon yung mga who are investing in mutual funds because it's relatively high, and since that's happening, since that's the narrative, you can't really expect it to move as high as where it was before. So here's what's amazing though. The market has been bearish for the past few months. If it drops below 5.8 or 6.8, it can retrace to around 1.66. It can go even lower. Should it go lower, that can be your chance, that can be your upside, that can be your narrative to actually earn more later on. But until we see a firm conviction that we're reversing up, I'll still place that we're still moving sideways up until we were at 7,400 in 2013. So that's it. I hope this video helps you. I hope gives you a greater conviction on how you also analyze the market set. As much as we want it to go up, it doesn't go up all the time. It doesn't go up the way we want it to be. It doesn't oscillate in a way that it will always go up forever. So for those who are trading, for those who are position traders, our goal is to stay away from the market until we see clear reversal, or our goal is to trade it if it's range bound or sideways, and our goal is to buy as much as we can when we see it start to break out and move into greater heights again. So I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you again soon. Bye bye. Kulit.
Kasi it's early in the morning and I'm sleepy, so it's my last bit of energy.
But they don't even know if it's the morning. This video is not time bound. I'll probably post this 2019 play, so we don't know.
Okay, all I know is that right now I'm sleepy. So good night!
Lalabas. That's where the market.
Off na yung lights eh, kaya kailangan niya ng spotlight. Hi everyone, welcome back. Go home.
What's your wish for everyone for New Year?
They have a wonderful year. It's too late to eat. I don't want to think.
But this will be posted in the morning, so they won't know what time of day it is, so it doesn't matter.
Matters to me. I'm sleepy.
Okay. Bye-bye.
So you're smart.
Cut it now.
Don't lie.
Huh? I don't like.
No.
Hmm.